AmCharts Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. AmCharts isn't just another charting library. You won't believe how versatile it is for web and mobile data visualization. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for basic graphs, but the surprising truth is it supports interactive maps, stock charts, gauges, and timelines with extensive customization options. Pricing depends on the type of license you choose. A single developer license for websites starts at around per year, providing full access to chart types, updates, and commercial use. For multiple developers or enterprise deployments, pricing scales based on the number of developers and projects. Most people get this wrong by ignoring the support and updates included. These can save hours of troubleshooting and ensure charts remain compatible with new web standards. AmCharts is also highly developer-friendly. You won't believe how quickly you can implement complex interactive charts using JavaScript with simple API calls and extensive documentation. Advanced features like dynamic data loading, export options, and responsive design ensure your visualizations work across all devices. In conclusion, AmCharts pricing reflects the flexibility, quality, and support it offers. By understanding the license options, you can select a plan that fits your team size and project needs. For anyone serious about professional, interactive charts, AmCharts delivers strong value for your investment.